In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on the TradingView mobile app. This is a handy skill that can help personalize your trading experience and ensure you're viewing data in the currency that makes the most sense for you. Whether you're trading internationally or just prefer seeing everything in your home currency, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First things first, make sure you've got the TradingView app installed on your mobile device. Open up the TradingView app and you'll land on your home screen. From here, your initial move is to tap on the chart section. This is where all the action happens, so it's an important step to get used to if you're new to the app. The chart is your main dashboard that displays the trading data and insights. Next, we're going to find the currency you'd like to use. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and tap on this bar to activate it. Now type in the currency you're looking for. For example, if you need to see values in euro, just type EUR and a list of available options should appear. This search function is very user-friendly and allows you to easily find any currency or financial instrument you're looking to explore. Once you've searched for your desired currency, a list of currency pairs will be displayed. Simply tap on the currency you want to select. Let's say you picked the euro. You'll find pairs like EUR USD or EUR JPY, and so on. Select the one you need by tapping it. This step ensures that data shown is now tied to that specific currency. Now that you've made your selection, it's crucial to verify if the change has been applied. Just go back to the main TradingView screen to check. You should now see that the currency data on your charts reflects your chosen currency. This is a good time to double check your charts to ensure everything looks right. And there you have it. Changing the currency on TradingView Mobile is that simple. While this task might initially seem a bit daunting, it really is a breeze once you know your way around. If you like, you can repeat the same steps whenever you wish to switch to a different currency. Being able to customize your charts ensures that your data is always relevant and actionable for your needs. Thanks for joining me in today's walkthrough on the TradingView mobile app, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!